Let's do two more examples. And as I said somewhere in the previous videos, this is not an exhaustive regex kind of tutorial. This is simply for folks that want to use it in the context of Curator or SIEM. Let's actually grab a hash and notice that how easy this one is, right? So let's grab this leaf. It's actually leaf, and we want to grab everything that is after the file hash and put into a capture group, and we will use the slash lowercase w, which matches any word character. It's not a word, but word character, and those are all the letters and numbers. But notice that it includes the underscore, so you need to be watchful for that. Let's go to the Regex 101 site, and we want to grab this the file hash, right? So we simply type the text file hash. If we have any doubt about this being open and lowercase, remember that there is the left parenthesis question mark I. There's a separate video for that one, short video for that one. Then we put the equal sign, and then what we want to capture, we put into parentheses is just W, which will cast any, actually backslash W, as we see in the regex notes, and that will grab precisely that. Okay, very simple. Particularly grabbing hashes is very easy using that. Let's do another example. So in this file, we want to grab the path, the file path that comes over here, right? So let's go back to that Regex 101, and it's what is that? Yeah. Let's go here, paste all that. Let's get rid of this, the previous example. Let's say that we want to grab all these until they own by. So we type here file. Notice that we are right there. We are going to grab with the capture group, and we're going to grab the lazy version. Remember that there's a separate video for that, which is this one. But notice that after that there is a blank space character, so we put backslash s, and then own backslash s, another was space, and then by, right? So we have grabbed that entire path. Let's say that we are interested only on the actual file, right? The example page. Well, what we need to do is, before the capture group, we're going to put the /, but we need to escape it. So we put like that, and that is taking that piece out. We're going to put another one. We need to escape it. Now we get rat. Now we need to put the actual backslash. We need to escape it as well. We need to escape the next one, and then we are gonna we don't want that example. There's a y space backslash s. We don't want that dir, and we don't want that backslash. So we need to escape the backslash. And now we only have the file name. Again, as you can see, doing this regex is not that hard, and I hope that and this file, as I said in the previous videos, is a compilation of all the custom event properties that are in my Curator system. So these I try to restrict the examples to things that are applicable within Curator. In case you are interested, I went into the admin tab, went into log sources, custom event properties, and you can actually see. What I did is I grabbed the most remarkable ones of these and I put it into that file for you guys to practice with it and learn Regex.